guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing a first impressions on the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. It is so beautiful. It has a lot of warm tones. It's got a lot of glitters. It's really pretty. I didn't really have anything in mind when I started filming this. I kind of just went with it. There's definitely a lot of different looks that you can create. If you want to know how to achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Here is what it looks like. I went into Sephora yesterday not even needing anything. I plan on getting concealer and I walked out with this. I'm really excited to try it. All the colors look super pretty. There's a mixture of mattes, metallics, there's even a pressed glitter in here, as well as like a eyeshadow topper. Packaging itself is so pretty. It's definitely lightweight, it's compact. You can take it with you when you travel. That's a really good perk about it. When palettes are really good, but they're really bulky and have too much going on to where it's not even worth like taking with you. I know what kind of look I'm gonna be doing. This is the first time I'm trying it out. And if my eyebrows do look a little bit glossy, it's because I received my second session of my microblading, so I do have to keep Aquaphor on them for 10 days. I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush and dipping into Eden. It's like the light peach shade. And just brushing that all over my lid. I can already tell that these eyeshadows are very buttery. If you hear noise in the background, it's Dallas. It out really easy. And with a Morphe 441, it's a tapered fluffy brush. I think I'm going to go in with Amber. It's a toasted orange color. Taking this Crown fluffy brush, it's got a rounded head on it. I'm going to go in with Saffron. It's on the bottom row. It's a deep candy shade. Kind of just pressing it in. It is a darker shade, so I want to be careful just in case there's fallout, but doing good so far. Does everyone have their favorite eye to start off with? Like if I do my eyeshadow starting this way, it just doesn't work out. Okay, now I'm going to go in with, what should I do? Okay, I'm actually going with an IT Cosmetics brush. It's got a tapered end to it. I'm going to go in with OUD. It's the dark brown shade in it. I'm going to hit at the very end.
So creamy!
Over top of Saffron that I just laid down. You guys, this palette was pretty pricey. I think it was $65, I think. I was kind of hesitant on buying it just because I do love the Morphe palettes and they're very affordable. They're in like the $20 range. But I'm already telling you right now, this is definitely worth the money. I would purchase this again. I'd purchase it if I really like someone for a gift. If you like warm tones and this is like your go-to and you like a mixture of glitter, you can do a whole eye look, several eye looks with this one palette. Because it has so much to choose from. I want to do something fun, and going in with that same brush that I put the brown on, I'm going to go with Amethyst. It's like a really pretty Barney purple. And I'm going to go on the center of my lid with it. Just tapping it down. I hope this turns out the way I want it to. And you'll probably see a couple more videos using this palette as well because I want to use all the colors, but obviously that's like not possible. That's so pretty. This would be so pretty to do like a sunset eye. And I'm kind of dragging out that same purpley tone, going in back to Saffron, pouncing it in the outer V, and kind of dragging it out ever so slightly. Kind of creating that cat eye effect. This will help elongate the eye. And taking the same brush that I first applied Eden with, I'm just meeting the edges. I can't completely blend all the way up because I don't want to risk getting eyeshadow on my eyebrows, but you guys get the gist. Taking a flat definer brush, I'm going to be taking Saffron, that red color, and dragging it under my waterline. Going in with Ode, that dark brown. I'm going to put a little bit more Ode on top because it kind of got lost with all the blending. Okay, so now I'm going to be wetting a flat brush with some Fix Plus real quick. And I'm going to be dipping it into the shade Blood Moon.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
I hope it's picking up how pigmented this is. I know my camera washes me out a lot of the times. The shade is stunning. And it's so buttery too. For how metallic it is, sometimes the metallics can be really chunky and like crunchy in a sense, like they almost fold into each other and then they get little creases immediately. No, this is perfect. Okay, so I'm taking a risk. Mixed reviews about it, but hope it doesn't mess up my makeup. I'm going to be applying NYX glitter primer onto that same flat brush, putting it over the shade Blood Moon. And then I'm gonna go into that glitter. Woo. And kind of pack it on. Okay, it is very pretty. It just definitely has fallout. And I'm going in with Amethyst, that purple, and meeting it in the middle. It sweeps easily away, so that's really good. Sometimes glitter can stick to your foundation and that would be bad news. With glitter, so this is the difference between with glitter or with just that metallic eyeshadow. And this eye has more of that purple tone to blend it in. But it did pair really pretty over that color. You can still see the orangey tone throughout it, and that glitter has flecks of orange, red, and purple. So I'm assuming whatever color you lay it over, that's what will shine through. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other eye and I'll be right back. I actually did end up applying this left eye with my finger and it applied so much better. So future reference, don't do it with a brush, do it with your finger. Just apply it right over that tacky glitter glue and it works very well. Okay, so for my lashes, I went ahead and used the Makeup Shack in the style Dubai. Looks like that, and then I used my e.l.f. black liner. Lips, since we have so much color going on, I think I'm just going to keep it like nude. So I'm doing the Sorbet liner in the shade of Fair. Going in with the No Shade lipstick in Dose of Colors, the Desi and Katie collab. I'm going over it. And then for gloss, I'm going to be doing the KKW gloss in the shade Bronze. And it has the same metallics, like the same orangey, red, pink tones. So yeah, that was the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Overall, my opinions on the palette, I love it. Shades are creamy. The metallic shades glide on really easy. I just used water. I used Fix Plus. I think they both work the same. As far as Cosmo, the pressed glitter goes, I definitely recommend using a glitter glue of some sort just to make it tacky, and then using your finger and just using your dry finger, just slightly dabbing it and then dabbing it onto the lid. Definitely don't try to smooth it because it won't work out. Big perk of this palette is that you can use it many different ways. You can use it for a natural look, dramatic look, just because it gives you so much variety of mattes, metallics, as well as the glitter. If you like this tutorial, definitely give me a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you'd like to see next. Let me know your own review about the palette if you do end up getting it or you already have it. Once again, thank you so much for watching.